The history of chemical weapons after World War II is just kind of weird. Like, the thing that we have to take note of is that all sides in the conflict participated in the creation of chemical weapons, but with the exception of, like, the Germans who used them on their own people, and then the Japanese who used them in China, none of the sides over here in Europe really wanted to use them on each other because they were afraid that, well, that means that the other side would start doing the same thing. But similar to what happened to all the German rocket scientists after the war when they were picked up by either the Soviet Union or the United States or England, etc., the Germans and the Soviets did the same thing to each other when taking over each other's chemical weapon facilities as they invaded one another. Like, as the Germans moved east, they took all of the Soviet research that they were putting into their own chemical weapons and then took that back to Germany to use for their own developments. And then by the time the Soviets were moving back west, they were then taking over those facilities and then the German facilities and taking all that research and sending that and the scientists back to the Soviet Union to work. Which in turn led to the development of a lot of nasty chemical weapons that my wife actually goes over here in her new video. Because guess what? A number of these still seem to exist to this very day.